If you're tired of walking around feeling like a balloon or dealing with that nasty acid burn after eating, it's probably time to switch up your plate. Both tradition and science back these 7 foods for keeping your gut in check. Let's get into it. Numbers first, no fluff. 1. Oats. Oats are one of the best breakfast choices if you want to avoid acidity and feel light after eating. A single cup of cooked oats, about 240 grams, gives you 4 grams of fiber, with around 2 grams being soluble fiber, the kind that forms a gel and helps food move through your system smoothly. They're low in acid with a pH around 6.2 to 6.6, and because they digest slowly, they don't spike stomach acid. Oats are also high in magnesium, about 63 milligrams per cup, which helps relax intestinal muscles and ease cramps or bloating. 2. Bananas. Bananas are alkaline and gentle on the stomach, with a natural pH of about 5.6, helping neutralize acid naturally. One medium banana, around 120 grams, has 3.1 grams of fiber, most of it is pectin, which helps bind waste and ease things along in the gut. You also get 422 milligrams of potassium, which keeps fluid balance in check and reduces salt-related bloating. Bananas are a go-to for heartburn and gas, especially if your gut's feeling off. 3. Ginger. Ginger speeds up digestion and calms inflammation. A 1.2 grams dose of ginger powder, around half teaspoon, before meals was shown to increase stomach emptying speed by 25 to 50% in clinical studies. That means less time for gas to build up and food to ferment. Ginger also fights nausea and acid reflux thanks to active compounds like gingerol and shogaol. A few thin slices, about 5 grams fresh, steeped in hot water equals one of the best natural teas for gut issues. 4. Yogurt. With probiotics, a 150 grams serving of plain Greek yogurt contains 2.5 billion CFU of probiotics like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which support healthy gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome helps break down food better, which means fewer gas bubbles and less bloating. You also get 10 grams of protein and only around 0.4 grams of lactose, making it much easier to digest than regular milk. Clinical research shows that probiotics can reduce bloating by 20 to 30% in people with digestive disorders like IBS. 5. Fennel seeds. These tiny seeds are gas busters. Just 1 teaspoon, about 2 grams, gives you 0.9 grams of fiber, and the compounds inside, like anethole, relax the digestive tract. Fennel tea made with 1 teaspoon crushed seeds steeped for 5 to 10 minutes can reduce bloating in under an hour. It's especially good after heavy meals or if you feel like your stomach's not emptying properly. 6. Cucumber. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, which helps flush out excess sodium and reduces water retention, one of the main causes of bloating. One medium cucumber, 200 grams, only has 16 calories and about 193 milligrams of potassium, which also helps balance fluid levels. Plus, the enzyme orepsin in cucumbers helps break down proteins, making digestion easier. 7. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down protein in your food. 1 cup of fresh papaya chunks, about 140 grams, has 2.5 grams of fiber, and around 88 milligrams of vitamin C, which supports overall digestive health. It's especially helpful if your bloating comes from slow digestion or high-protein meals. Bonus, papaya is also naturally alkaline, with a pH close to. Drink at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water a day to keep digestion smooth. Dehydration slows everything down and makes bloating worse. Also, eat slowly, chew your food well, and avoid lying down right after meals. Simple moves, big difference.